and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, well, showing you guys what I got for my Fabfitfun box. I got a little overexcited, so I've actually already opened it, but I got some really cool stuff that I wanted to share with you guys. If you haven't heard of Fabfitfun, it's another subscription box. It comes quarterly, and the fall box has always been the one that I wanted the absolute most, but I actually got the winter box first, so this is my last box of the year, and I am so excited. Alright, this is the box. It's kind of heavy because there's a lot in there, but it's the box that you hear every Real Housewife and other influencer talk about, but it really is worth all the hype. It's amazing. So this is actually my favorite subscription box that I get. I asked for it for Christmas last year, and I have not regretted it. It has been amazing. And my fiance, as you guys can see, I got engaged. If you want to hear about that, comment below. He got it for me last year, and I'm hoping that he gets it for me again this year. That's why I'm wearing a little bit of a fall look today, since we're doing the fall box. I'm already too excited about fall. It's currently 95 degrees in South Carolina. So when you open your Fabfitfun box, the first thing that you see is this little magazine. This one has Christina Applegate on the front, and it's really cool because it tells you about all of the products that you get in it, as well as some other fun stories and kind of what you can do with your products. The first product is this little beauty blender. I think it's like a blush pink, but I've been needing a new beauty blender. These are amazing. I think they retail for like $20 a piece, so very excited about that. I could just wash my old beauty blender. I've had it for a while and it just needs replacing. So very excited about this product. Actually, if you guys have used the bar soap that they suggest to clean beauty blenders with, let me know because I would like to try it. I know some people said that you can just use normal soap, but like I want to hear what other people have to say about that because I've used like makeup brush cleaner and that didn't really seem to do it. All right. Next we have these Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. I love face masks, so I'm excited to try these out. I've heard a lot about bubble masks, but I've never seen the bubble sheet mask before. It says glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, face makeup removal. Cool. I'm excited to try that out. Next we have the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream, and it is Camellia and Geranium Blossom. Though I opened my box, I didn't open any of the products yet because I did want to do that on camera. I get way too excited about it to open on camera. All right, so I'm gonna try out the day cream. Oh, it has a little seal on it. I just went to pop the seal on this. I just used a bobby pin. It smells amazing. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand because as I have makeup on, so I can't put it on my face. Ooh, that feels really, really nice. They always send amazing skincare products. That's kind of the cool thing too about Fabfitfun. It's just like kind of random. So you end up getting really, really awesome stuff. And I believe that might have been one of the products I selected. The truth is, when they have me select them, I don't really remember by the time I get the box, so it's all kind of a surprise to me. There was one thing in this box that I was super, super looking forward to, so I definitely knew that was gonna be in there. But apart from that, I kind of forgot what I selected during the personalization process. The next product is this Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel, which looks really cool. It's part of the Italian collection. Honestly, I'm sure it smells good, but all I can smell is this moisturizer on my hands right now. Oh, that smells super good. Very cool. I'm excited to try that out. I don't think I've ever gotten a bath product from them before, so that should be really fun. Next, I'm kind of doing all of the skincare type stuff first and then getting around to all the other kind of more random products. This is the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. And this one was definitely one of the ones that we could select. I remember there was like a different type of moisturizer, I think a cleanser, and the eye cream, and I very recently have started taking care of my skin, and I've never really used a lot of eye cream before. I had one from Burt's Bees that I really liked, but I thought it'd be cool because these are always really high-end products. I can't open this thing. And this is what it looks like. It's in a cute little fancy container with a wooden top. It doesn't really have much of a smell. I'm just gonna put it on my forearm because I've already put moisturizer all over my hands, but I'm excited to try that out. There's one more beauty product, and that is the Crown Pro 4 Pros by Pros brush set. I'm trying to build up my collection of makeup brushes, and these looked really, really nice online. I did a tutorial not too long ago using the Fuego eye palette that they sent out in a BoxyCharm, so I was excited to try out their brushes. The brushes feel really, really soft. Yeah, I like that it comes with both a flat brush. It gives you enough brushes to do an entire look, which is really awesome. You have a powder brush, a blush brush, kind of an all-over eyeshadow brush, a round crease brush, flat brush, and a liner brush over here, which I think is really, really awesome. And if I was traveling, this would be a super great case to bring around with me so that my brushes didn't get messed up. Next we have the Cobra Bluetooth wireless headphones. I was really excited about these because I have an iPhone 8, and so it doesn't have a headphone jack, which, I mean, occasionally I'll just use the little connector thing that they gave me when I bought my phone, but it'll be really, really nice to just have a pair of Bluetooth headphones that I didn't have to pay for, because I thought about getting Beats at one point and I just didn't really want to invest in them. And these are super cute. I got the white ones with the kind of pink rose gold detailing, so I'm excited to try those out. And next we have these Simply Whimsical homemade pretty towel. These are super, super cute. They're just little gray and white striped dish towels, or I guess you could use them for something else. They just remind me of like the ones that you'd hang on your oven in the kitchen. I think they're super cute, really great for fall. Yeah, so that was kind of a random one. Definitely didn't know these were coming, but they're super, super nice and I really like them. And then they also sent this Luna bar as well as a coupon for Luna bars. I've never really eaten them before, so I think this is a new type of Luna bar. The salted caramel nut, it's the Luna Rica. So I will definitely be giving that a shot. And last but certainly not least, this is what I was most excited about getting in my Fabfitfun box. When we did the personalization, I had the choice between a French press for coffee or a little teapot. So I got this little teapot. I'm gonna open it up for y'all. I've always been a really big fan of hot tea, and this allows you to use loose tea leaves, and I've never had a teapot before, so I've never been able to do that, but it's just this cute little light blue color with flower details. And I think that's kind of the best thing about Fabfitfun, is it's all things that I really want but probably wouldn't have bought for myself. Getting it as a gift, it's really cool because I feel like I get a gift every season, which is amazing. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has this little, I don't know if you'd call it a diffuser. I don't actually know what this is called, but the thing that you put the tea in. Yep, but super, super cute. This is what I was the most excited about. I actually bought some loose tea the other day because I was so pumped that it was about to come in. So yeah, that was my #1 favorite. They were amazing. I mean, all of the products that came in here are amazing. I'm super excited to try out all of the skincare stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below if you're thinking about getting Fabfitfun, or if you already have it, what was your favorite product that you got this time? I really would like to hear what you guys have to say in the comments. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. Like this video if you liked what you saw, and I'll see you guys again next week.